Drivers ready, autonomous control, not just yet. All right, we are ready to go. Tesla Model X and 5-star Hurricanes versus South Park Elementary and the Terminators. Autonomous control in 3, 2, 1, go. And looks like going to be an autonomous win for the Red Alliance. All right, Red gets the autonomous win. We're ready for driver control. In 3, 2, 1, go. And very quickly, both teams are off. Tesla grabbing all of the rings that they can get. Blue trying to disrupt them just a little bit. That was the Terminators, and now the Terminator's not moving. And so Hackers and the Tesla Model X have a somewhat open field as the other bot. That is South Park Elementary. Looks like they have got locked up on a couple of rings, but they are also not moving. And so lots of opportunity now for Tesla and Hackers to just run the score up as both Blue Alliance bots are no longer functioning. If you're part of finals match number 3 and number 4, please make your way to your queuing table. And it looks like one of the Blue bots now has actually made it off of the ring. Hackers is guarding their side. Looks like Tesla looks like they're going to try and go after some more rings. The Hackers absolutely guarding their section right now. Not a whole lot of movement. Once again, Blue is stuck, unable to move. Trying to get to load up at least a few points, but unable to do so. We're down to 15 seconds in the match. And it looks like that's going to just about do it. A big win